Hi, this is Charlie with another Ayers Auto Tip of the Week. Sometimes failed smog inspections can easily be corrected by a systems check, clearing the codes and bringing things back to normal, sort of like rebooting a computer. Lately, we've been seeing more and more failed smog inspections due to the wrong catalytic converter being installed. To determine what type of converter you need, just check with your smog technician to find out the type of emission system in your vehicle.
Join Ayers Repairs Car Club and receive over $780 worth of auto repair services for only $248.95, which is the best car care value. We'd like to thank Ayers Automotive Repair for supporting your moment of trust with timely advice from BBB of the Tri-Counties. Ayers Automotive Repair is a proud member of the Better Business Bureau, providing dependable, trustworthy auto repair services in Santa Barbara since 1979.